Akita and scent work, tapping into their abilities. The Akita is a large and powerful breed known for its loyalty and protective nature. Originally bred for hunting and guarding purposes in Japan, Akitas have now become popular family pets all over the world. While they excel in obedience and agility, one area where Akita's abilities truly shine is in scent work. In this article, we will explore how Akita's natural abilities can be harnessed for scent work, the benefits of engaging them in such activities, and some tips on how to train your Akita for scent work. Understanding the Akita's abilities. Akitas have a highly developed sense of smell, making them excellent candidates for scent work. Their olfactory abilities are on par with other scent-oriented breeds like Bloodhounds and Beagles. These dogs have hundreds of millions of scent receptors in their noses, allowing them to detect even the faintest of odors. This remarkable sense of smell enables Akitas to excel in activities such as tracking, search and rescue, drug detection, and even medical detection work. Benefits of engaging Akitas in scent work. Engaging Akitas in scent work provides several benefits for both the dog and the owner. Firstly, it provides mental stimulation and helps keep the dog mentally sharp. Scent work engages their minds and taps into their natural instincts, keeping them mentally challenged and fulfilled. Secondly, it strengthens the bond between the dog and its owner. Training together and working towards a common goal strengthens the trust and communication between the Akita and their handler. Lastly, it provides a constructive outlet for their high energy levels. Akitas are known for their high energy, and scent work provides a healthy and productive way to channel that energy. Training your Akita for scent work. Training an Akita for scent work requires patience, consistency, and positive reinforcement. Here are some tips to get you started. 1. Start with basic obedience training. Before diving into scent work, ensure that your Akita has a solid foundation in basic obedience commands. Sit, stay, come, and heel are essential commands that your dog should be proficient in before moving forward. 2. Use their favorite toys or treats. Akitas are highly food and toy motivated. Utilize their favorite toys or treats as rewards during scent work training sessions. This will keep them engaged and motivated to learn. 3. Introduce scent gradually. Start by introducing a target scent, such as a specific essential oil or treat, to your Akita. Encourage them to sniff the scent and associate it with a positive experience by rewarding them. Gradually increase the difficulty level by hiding the scent in different areas of your home or yard. Teach them the find it command. Introduce a verbal cue like find it or search when your Akita is sniffing the target scent. This will create an association between the command and the desired behavior. Reward them each time they successfully locate the scent. 5. Increase the challenge. Once your Akita has mastered finding the scent indoors, gradually increase the difficulty level by moving the scent outside or in more challenging environments. This will help strengthen their scent discrimination skills and overall proficiency in scent work. Engaging an Akita in scent work allows them to utilize their natural abilities and provides numerous benefits for both the dog and the owner. By tapping into their exceptional sense of smell, Akitas can excel in scent work activities such as tracking, search and rescue, and drug detection. Training them for scent work not only keeps them mentally stimulated but also strengthens the bond between the dog and its owner. With patience, consistency, and positive reinforcement, any Akita owner can unlock their dog's scent work potential and have a rewarding,